Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to download MovieBox Pro on your Firestick. First, open your Firestick and go to Settings, My Fire TV, and then Developer Options, and then enable Apps from Unknown Sources to allow side-loaded installs. Next, head to the Amazon App Store and install the Downloader app. That's your go-to tool for getting MovieBox Pro onto the device. Once that's up, open the downloader and enter movieboxpro.app/tv or mbp.pub/tv. These two are the only verified links that actually works for downloading the app, according to power users online. Hit go, let it download the APK, then install it. And boom, MovieBox Pro is now on your Fire Stick. If you notice the app installs but navigating seems glitchy, like thumbnails won't highlight or clicks don't register, many users recommend installing a mouse toggle or enabling a mouse pointer emulator via downloader to improve usability. That's all there is to it. Enable unknown sources, use downloader with the right link, install add mouse support if needed, and you're ready to stream. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides like this.